Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to draw the head using the Loomis method. We are going to start right away with a front view. When starting to draw a head, you'll want to start with a circle. The circle is a great starting point because that is where all the basic measurements are going to come into play. Once the circle is drawn, split the circle in half vertically and horizontally. The horizontal line is for the eyebrows. Then add 2 horizontal lines, trying to make each section equal. The top horizontal line is for the hairline and the bottom is for the nose. Next, you'll want to cut off the sides of the head. Since this is the front view, the side of the head is less visible. Making each section equal is important for the basic head proportions. Not all faces are the same, so these lines won't always be the same. Do you see that there is a square with 4 equal sections? Means we're on the right track. Okay, next it's time to add in the chin line. Try to make the section even with the other 2. I added slight circles to the side of the head because even from the front view, the ears will be visible. I'm adding in the jawline as well to help find the cheekbones. If you're learning anything so far, make sure to subscribe for similar content. I will be doing a mixture of educational and entertainment videos. Next week's video will be the final portrait of my Outer Banks fan art series. Now for the 3/4 view, I start the head the same way by creating a circle. Then I add an oval to show that the side of the head is visible and flat. The face will be divided a little off-centered. The 3 sections will still be the same because I'm drawing an average face. The ear tends to sit in the bottom right corner of the oval shape. Unless the head is positioned the other way, then it'll be the bottom left corner. If you're still watching, thank you. There will be a demonstration at the end on how to use these fundamentals with a reference. For the side view, it is very simple. Draw the circle, then a smaller circle in the middle. The smaller circle should be about 1/3 the size of the first circle. Then I'm going to divide it up just like the previous 2 examples. Oh, and by the way, I had recorded this video so that you could see my hands, but the lighting was being crazy, so a screen recording it is. Now I'm just labeling everything that I have talked about so far. Each section for basic head proportions should be the same. There will be 3 equal portions of the head. The ear will normally sit in the bottom left portion of the skull or the bottom right, depending on the position of the head. The top line is for the hairline, the middle line is for the brows, and the bottom line is for the nose. If you're liking this content so far, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on next week's video. Feel free to rewatch this video or take a screenshot to practice with. Here is the moment you've all been waiting for, the demonstration. I'll just let you guys watch and I'll be back when the demonstration is over. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for future content. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.